Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. I'm so sorry if I sound bugged up. I'm feeling terrible. But yeah, if you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. And if you are returning, then thank you so much for always supporting me. Well, I've put the mummy bump in for now because I've got lots of tasks to do. I want to get my task book and write a few things down. I'll show you. But I think I'm going to start off in the kitchen today. I'll just write a few things down and then I'll show you what I've got to do. Because I've got limited time, my mum has popped out, so I've got the kitchen. So I'm going to start with the kitchen, if I hadn't already said that. I'm just going to run upstairs, get my things to do list, and we go over it once I've cleaned the kitchen. I'll just go run and get my tripod. So I'll turn you around and show you what I've got to do. I have a lovely pile of washing up as always. Empty the draining board, clean the sides off, check the washer, clean all the cooker. Lovely. Put those in the cereal box thing. I don't know what it's called. One of them tub things there. And just sort through the fridge. Because we haven't been very well, I haven't ate my salads and whatnot again, so I'll go check see if they're in date. Okay. I did film a little bit just, but I realised I didn't press record, so I didn't film. So yeah, I think that's it basically, and then just a little bit of moving and mopping in the kitchen. But before I go in when I go in another room, I'll talk it through with you anyway what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm on a marathon, so I've got to get cracking. So in here it's done for now. If you can hear that, it's the kettle boiling. I ain't got time to wait for it to stop. I've got to go and pick up RJ. So all clean. Floors over the mopped. Fridge is better. It's actually a week or two since I did this vlog, but I just wanted to put an ending to it because I forgot and I was really poorly, so I never edited it or anything. That's why I haven't been really uploading. But I will give you a proper update soon and things will go back to normal soon, so it'll be back to uploading four days a week. I still don't feel 100%, but I'm getting there. But anyway, I hope you're all really, really well, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye.